Hello guys, welcome back to Onyx Food Hill. I'm so happy to have you back. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make banana bread. To make the best banana bread recipe that is moist, healthy and simple, I'm going to be using 3 overripe bananas. So I'm just peeling my bananas into a bowl. And I'm going to start by mashing my ripe bananas into a thick paste. As you can see, this banana bread recipe doesn't require any mixer. You can just use a simple tool like a fork. Once I have mashed my banana into a very smooth batter like this, next I'm going in with half a cup of brown sugar. Brown sugar gives a moist texture to our banana bread, which is exactly what you're looking for. I also go in with a teaspoon of baking soda. This will keep our banana bread fluffy and helps it to rise well. Next, I'm going to add in 1 large egg and a 1/3 cup of melted butter. I'm using salted butter. If you're using unsalted butter, you can add in a little bit of salt to your banana bread. Cinnamon blends well with banana bread, so I'm going in with half a teaspoon of cinnamon powder. And since we are making banana bread, I'm going to be adding in banana flavor so that it will match with the flavor of the banana. But this is optional, you can use vanilla extract. And I'm just going to stir this and make sure everything combines. And I'll gradually add in 1 cup of all-purpose flour. Once you have finished preparing your banana mix, it should be lump-free and very smooth like this. Next, I'm going to pour the batter into my prepared pan. So just make sure you grease your pan with oil or some melted butter to make it easy for the bread to come out easily. I'm going to gently tap my pan a few times. This will help level the bread and also helps to remove air bubbles. Next, I'm going to bake this in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 40 to 45 minutes. After 40 minutes of baking this, our homemade banana bread is ready. Just to be sure this is well baked, you can insert a toothpick into the middle of the bread. Once it comes out dry or there's no stain on it, it means it's ready. The bread is still very much soft, so you have to leave it in the pan for a few minutes first before you take it out and allow it to cool down completely. Once my banana bread has cooled down, it's so easy to take it out of the pan. You can see this looks very beautiful, so I'm going to leave it to cool down completely. So guys, this was a simple banana bread recipe that you can try out at home. And here goes our banana bread. So I'm just going to cut these. You can see it is soft, moist, and it's healthy, and it smells really good. I hope you try this out. Let me know what you think about this easy banana bread recipe in the comment section below. Thank you guys for watching my video. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell button. Give me a thumbs up and you can share this video with your friends. Until next time, enjoy your bread.